Hi everyone, I'm Saurabh and I am here to demo my application that I built as a part of AI engineering cohort by AI Makerspace. My application is SteadyFit that I'm going to talk about and walk you through. SteadyFit is a coaching team that plans around your real life, not the life you plan to have. It's built upon LangGraph, pgvector, FastAPI, and for observability I have used Langsmith. The problem statement is every fitness app treats a missed workout as user's failure. It comes with a static plan. It presents user with static plan, which is built once, which is never adjusted. A missed Monday stays missed forever. There is no context. App doesn't know about your travel, your personal document, personal data, personal health document, your preferred meal, your deadlines, your health conditions like you have a sore knee or you have a rough week at work, and it silently drops off. Nobody notices until the user has already quit, usually within couple of weeks. The user are the busy professional which are most motivated but least able to follow a rigid plan. They have unpredictable weeks by design. A client deadline kills Tuesday session, a work trip moves the whole week, sleep suffers. App shows a broken streak. Every existing app records the miss and presents the same static plan on Monday as if nothing changed. They need adaptation, not guilt. They don't need a harder plan or a louder reminder. They just need a coach that who asks what happened, and user can share, and the coach adapts and presents with a new plan. Here is my solution. Solution is a coaching team which is not a chatbot. It has a 5 specialist agent which coordinate behind the scenes, supervised by coach that routes, negotiates, and resolves conflict before the user ever sees a proposal. Coach sits on top, who supervises. It routes the intent to correct agent and then resolve agent conflicts, approves every plan change. Beneath that, we have 4 specialist agent. One is scheduler, which schedules your plan, weekly plans, injury safe exercise selection, etc. And second is nutrition agent, which basically keeps track of the nutrition, the meals being logged, and meal suggestions also, so that you comply and you stay in your target nutrition values. Adherence is basically detects any drop-offs, any change in plans, and proactively replans. And knowledge is evidence-based Q&A, curated knowledge base with web search. There are 4 retrieval corpora that I have. One is curated knowledge base that I have created with 76 exercises. Then I have a coaching memory, 12-week history with 12-week history, personal docs where user can upload their documents with their data related to their health data, your meal preference, and stuff like that, and then web search. Today I'm going to demo John's journey on this particular application. John is basically one busy professional like us, and I would like to show 4 different beats. Like one, that John has a bad week. Then second, John has some work dinner. John wants to know that how that dinner fits into his plan. And then John asks a question that what should I eat for the remaining of the day. And then the autonomous loop, which runs a weekly cron, which basically looks at John's weekly data and then proactively recreates the plan or readjusts the plan. So here is the demo video that I have pre-recorded. So this is the landing page of SteadyFit. So right now it is a try it yourself, no sign up mode. Takes you to the application main page where there are 2 different user categories from profile. If you see guest, where a new user onboards, and then John. So today I would like to go with the journey of John, which is already established user, and he has already uploaded his health document on the SteadyFit app, and that health doc keeps track of his basically data, his medical conditions, his meal preference, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, all those stuffs. Now one fine day John comes and say that, hey, honestly this week got away from me, work has been brutal and I have been off track, right? So this is what John comes up with to the app, and then app correctly pulls the John's data, historical data, and he just in the first section, if you see, he just keeps motivating John that hey, you have already done a lot of good stuffs in past, and then he suggests to drop this session to 3 to 4 session. And basically he's asking John like, hey, you want to scale back this? And John basically accepts it, and there's a small tweak that agent has given John, factoring into his basically personal documents. So it readjusts his week with readjusted data, meal data also. Once John accepts this, which sounds good, this new plan is updated on John's plan page. If you see here, this is John's plan page where John can see this week's data, this is adjusted data, and this is the meal that is advised to John. And John basically goes back on the chat, and he basically says that, hey, I have got 10 quick minutes for now, so what should I do? Agent suggests him a quick 10-minute workout considering his week, how his week went off. And then John completes this and hits done, that hey, he has done that. And if you see, this data has been coming from the knowledge base that we have created, and that this new quick 10-minute data has been updated to John's current week plan. Here it is, 10-minute quick session. If he goes back to chat, and then John just uploads a photo of the lunch that he did, which was here I've taken a sample of burger and fries. So John uploads his burger and fries picture, and the agent comes that, hey John, you are a vegetarian from the data that you uploaded, and it seems like this is a beef patty. So it's just asking John to give a correct information based on the data that he had provided. And then John provides the data that, hey, it's a veggie patty with fries. And based on this, the agent comes up with the okay. And he also agent notifies that John has a hypertension, so he should avoid all these salty and a lot of refined food. So if you see here, it has given that your hypertension heads up. This one runs high in sodium, so it should be good if you track any future diets that you take in. It gives the overall nutrition value of the meal that he has taken, and that meal has been already logged in. It also gives a heads up that he has a type 2 diabetes and hypertension, so he should avoid all these food. Now next, John basically comes up and asks that, hey, what should I have in dinner, considering I have this highly processed food in my lunch. And based on how his day went and how his remaining day calorie permits, agents comes up with the plan. So this is how this app basically readjusts John's day accordingly as per the data. And then there is a feature which runs weekly, a cron service, which once in a week looks at John's weekly data and basically suggests and readjusts the plan. So this is, and then here John is asking that, hey, I will go with bean burrito bowl, and similarly his plan has been updated and nutrition value adjusted. Next, how it is built architecture. If I talk briefly, client is hosted on Vercel with Next.js. API layer is FastAPI on render, agents, LangGraph, tools, USD food data, Tabuli web, and data I have used Postgres and pgvector Neon. For observability, I am using Langsmith. I've tested this like a production, it's not a demo. Like I have 96 golden test cases with different RAGAS metrics data that I've already put in my GitHub with all detailed evaluations. What's next? The roadmap is right now it's a simple coaching agent. The next steps is like it's a connect that I'll connect my app to Real Auth, where Google Calendar and Apple Health data will be retrieved, and plans would be created and curated based on that data. Next phase is 6 to 12 months, where SMS and WhatsApp integration will happen, and based on the data from Google Calendar and Apple Health, data will be curated and it is notified to the user via SMS, and then go deeper would be like physio, live note stream, voicemail logging, and stuff like that. So this is, and then full passive where sleep monitoring and HRV thing will happen. So this is the roadmap that I have considered and looking forward to take it forward. Thank you so much. This is what I want to do, and this application is part of my experiences. Thank you.